In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Miro board public. Whether you want to share a workshop board with a wide audience or collect feedback quickly, I'll show you exactly where to click, what each permission means, and how to share the link safely. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the specific board you want to share. Give the canvas a quick scan to confirm you're on the right board and that there's nothing private on it you don't want others to see. You can do this from any modern browser or the desktop app. The steps are the same. Look to the top right corner of your board and select the Share button. This opens Miro's sharing panel where you can control access. Find the section labeled Anyone with the link. This is the control that turns your board from private to public. Open the Permissions menu next to it and choose the level of access you want to grant. Can view is read only and best for broad distribution when you simply want people to see the content. Can comment allows viewers to leave sticky notes or comments without changing the content. Perfect for reviews and feedback sessions. Can edit gives full editing rights, meaning others can move, add, or delete items on the board. Use edit access only for trusted collaborators because changes are live and immediate. Once you've selected the appropriate permission, copy the link provided in the same panel. Share this link by pasting it into an email, chat, calendar invite, or your website, whatever fits your use case. From this point on, anyone who has the link can open the board with the permission you set. In most cases, people won't need a Miro account just to view or comment, which makes it easy for large audiences to participate. Before you distribute the link widely, double-check the permission one more time. Remember, making a board public means literally anyone with that link can access it, so avoid posting sensitive or confidential information. If you ever need to change access later, just return to the Share panel and switch the Anyone with the link setting back to a more restrictive option. That's it. You've logged in, opened your board, adjusted the Anyone with the link permission to the right level, and copied the link to share. Follow these steps each time you want to make a Miro board public, and you'll keep control over exactly how people interact with your content.